I used to think lighting upgrades meant LED headlights, maybe a light bar or pod lights, but after I got to test the Novsight SL9 bulbs for the 3157 socket, it truly revolutionized my way of thinking for lighting upgrades. So let me show you how easy it is to install these bulbs and demonstrate how bright these things really are. I'm really excited because I have tinted taillights and I'm hoping these are so bright that now I don't have any excuses to not want tinted taillights anymore. While we're at it, I'm also gonna spoil what the yellows look like as well, since I'm already gonna be into the taillight. Let's get a baseline of what stocks look like on both sides. Okay, now we got a baseline, let's install the SL9 bulbs into the driver's side. So the main reason I don't have patience and are doing the brake lights first is because the brake lights are really simple for me to install versus my front blinkers, because I have to take my bumper off to access my headlight housings. Fantastic design by GM. Like, I seriously wasn't gonna record this tonight, but I was like, I really wanna see what the brake lights are gonna look like compared to my stocks. So yes, Novsight sent me these products, but I genuinely use their products. Like, I get really excited using their products, and I've used them before they've sponsored me. I just have nothing but incredible things to say about Novsight. So with that being said though, these videos are meant for you to make your own decision if you want to buy these products or not, because when I personally go look for products, I see if there's any videos on YouTube, and that's what I hope to accomplish in today's video. So we got our old bulb out and I want to see what the yellows look like. So let's open up the yellows and just see what it looks like. I always have a pain opening up this style of packaging. All right, here we go. We finally got it. Here's a yellow. We have a socket out. Let's put that bad boy in here. Now if I unlock the truck, it should shine yellow. Okay, that's, whoa. That is so bright. Okay. Oh man, this is gonna match amazingly when I eventually get pod lights and light bars. This is gonna be a cool build. So now that we saw the yellows, I'm not gonna spoil it anymore for myself. Let's install the red brake lights. Now we're gonna be unboxing the red brake lights and see how bright those are compared to the stock bulbs. We got our red brake light. Still the same simple install. Okay, we have it. I'm gonna put it back in the socket. Then I'm gonna back the camera up and we're gonna see both sides illuminate at the same time. Now, only one bulb, actually, not both sides. We're gonna do the one side because the top is gonna have the Novsight bulb and the middle is gonna have the old bulb. Okay, here we go. The top bulb is the new Novsight SL9 bulb and the bottom bulb is the old bulb. So top is new, bottom is old. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I'm not even joking. That is so much brighter. I actually have tail lights again, and you can see that on camera too. Look at that. It's just so much brighter. Tail light tint is no problem anymore. I'm going to take a few steps back and I want to just take it all in from left to right. Left being the Novsight SL9 and the right being the stocks. Oh my gosh, it's like I don't have tinted taillights anymore. I am so excited. This is such a game changer. It is such a small thing, but it packs such a big punch. And what I mean by small is when you think of upgrading your lights, you think of headlights, but never your like brake lights. You're like, oh, it'll be fine. But for people like me, and like, look, that is such a difference. Oh my gosh. So like people like me that tint their taillights like a goofball, this is such a game changer. It just allows you to actually have that tint look cool and function. It's pretty funny because I have to keep unlocking my truck so you guys can see what's going on. But actually, with that being said, let's make the Novsight N70s my actual vlogging light. Okay, with that being said, I cannot wait to do the turn signals because I'm going from orange to yellow. So when I eventually do pod lights and I have the yellow lights, it's not only gonna look really cool, but it's gonna function so much better than just having orange bulbs as turn signals. Like, I gotta go inside before I do everything tonight, and I do not want you guys to be in the dark. Like, look, I have to keep unlocking my truck too. for you guys to see what's going on. So, okay, I'm gonna let you have the first reaction. Those are pretty cool. Oh, these are gonna look cool at night. Oh yeah. And then what my favorite part is, now since I don't have an orange bulb, the headlight housings are just completely whited out now. That's super cool. So I recorded my initial reaction to these bulbs, and I just checked back the footage, and the Novsight N70s are so bright that you guys couldn't even see the bulbs. So let me turn on just the DRLs. You guys should be able to tell now. Look at that. I can't wait to see these at night. Those are actually so much brighter. Now let's fix the other side and do the bulbs over there, and let's see what this thing looks like reassembled. My initial reaction to the SL9 yellow bulbs as my turn signals altogether. Oh yeah, look at that. I can't wait to see what it looks like at night and performs in fog and all that good stuff. So let's get this thing fully assembled and go for a drive. We are all installed. Let's see what they look like fully assembled. Oh man, yeah, that puts it together. Oh, I like that. Also, while I was installing, I noticed that it's illuminating this beam. Novsight just knows how to make bright stuff. Every single time, it's bright no matter what. I actually got a compliment on the N99s while taking my Camaro to work today. That was pretty cool. So Novsight just makes quality products. If you want performance and brightness and absolute looks of a legend and compliments all the time about your LEDs or bulbs, check out Novsight in the description down below. I'll link the products down there. Now let's go show these bulbs off during the night and see how bright they actually are. Okay, I want to show you guys something. Look at how bright these are. Okay, keep in mind too that these have 2 levels of brightness on them because they're blinkers. So they have the brighter, which is your flash, and then the duller, which is your active. So these are the duller modes, and it's already illuminating the carports and the ground. And let me tell you, I've had these on for, I think, 2 to 3 weeks, and you see them on the ground illuminating this part with the N70s on, and that's crazy. Now, as for the taillights, I went from having 0 red light illumination when I'm driving, but now I could see some red illumination. It used to only be my plate lights, but now my taillights illuminate some stuff behind me, which is super functional when I'm driving around. See a little bit more behind me, which is always good. Look at how menacing that is. Let's go show off these lights in somewhere a little more open. You can really see what I'm talking about with the 2 levels of brightness, because I have my hazards on, it's flashing the brighter parts of the bulb, and it just increases its range and brightness. That is crazy, especially coming from stock. So let's see our brake lights. Keep in mind, I have taillight tint too, and it's like 30% smoked, I think. That is crazy. Look at that. the camera is just blowing out the light because of how bright they are. This really brings us back to the intro of this video. Is when you think of lighting upgrades, you think LEDs, you think maybe rock lights, stuff like that, but you never think turn signals, brake lights. This changed my mind with what it means to upgrade your lighting. Now I have an itch for it. I just want to upgrade all my niche bulbs. I want to get the gimbal out and get you guys some good shots of these lights, but before I do, remember that these are in the description down below, so if you want to buy your own SL9 bulbs from Novsight, they come in red, white, and yellow. Alright, really quick nitty-gritty demo for you guys today, but this just shows you how much a tiny little bulb can dramatically change your lighting setup, and I am so thankful to have these SL9 bulbs from Novsight installed, because not only is it a lot of function, but it's really good looks. Again, it illuminates that with the lower brightness setting. Just crazy work. Novsight, you outdid it yet again. And if you want your own SL9 bulbs, they will be in the description down below. Use code Durpamax for 20% off. Have yourself a fantastic day, and remember, derp to the max.